What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Finesse God, JD92. Low-key ashy, but it is what it is. Coming back at y'all with, as y'all can see, another unboxing. First of all, I just gotta throw this out there. Today is an awkward day for me because my nerves is fucked up, and I'll explain it in like another video or something like that. Maybe a Godbox podcast episode or whatever. But I got something going on today that I'm nervous as hell about. But I gotta send like the hugest, biggest shout out to SZA for liking my shit on Instagram. Like, that shit, it still fucked me up that like I drew like a quick ass picture of SZA, and she liked that shit within like 5 minutes of me tagging her. So shouts out to SZA. My day was like, my whole week was fucked up, and you kind of low key, well not even low key, hockey made that shit better. So shouts out to SZA for that one. But yeah, I just had to slight flex. But I mean, who wouldn't flex SZA liking me shit? But nah man. So today we got a pack coming in from Nike. I've been waiting for these for a minute. As soon as I pull them out, y'all will know what they are. I haven't did one of these in a long ass time, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, some of my OGs may remember I used to do a lot of customs. Well, Nike by you or Nike IDs, whatever you want to call them. I used to do those a lot when the Kyries first came out. Oh shit. Oh, that's dope. That's dope as fuck. So, I used to do them a lot when Kyrie's first came out because Kyrie was like my guy or whatnot. So, I haven't had the chance to do them again because, for one, I haven't really seen the shoe that I wanted to do it on. And then it's just like, I really ain't feel like I was spending money on other stuff. But today we got a Nike by you, and this one says Nike by Joshua. That shit is crazy that they got my name on the box. Size 11.5, and yeah, I hope these look good in person because I kind of did them a little too quick, and I wish I would have sat with the design a little longer. But let's go ahead and pull this out. But before we pull these out, make sure you hit that thumbs up and that like button for me. Subscribe, join the God Squad, all that good shit. Yeah, man, let's get straight into these. Like I said, size 11.5. Haven't done one of these in a long time, but I'm a little excited about these. So here we go. Hold on, let me fix my lighting. My bad, like it fixed it a little bit, but not really. It just looked a little dark on my end. Maybe I'm just tripping. But let's go ahead and get straight into the shoe. I'm nervous. I want y'all to see them before me because I'm nervous as shit. Like, nervous as shit. How they look? They straight? They stupid? Alright, these clean. These are clean. Okay. So, what I designed, oh, that's so dope. What I designed was a pair of Air Force Ones. Pretty much blue, that UNC blue and cream. I know y'all can't really see this. Fuck my lights. Hold on. Alright, so hopefully this made it better. So these are the shoes I designed. So UNC blue with the cream with like the rose laces, and then the like original Nike check on the tongue or whatever. I'll give y'all some B-roll so y'all can fully see it. I'm just hyped about this damn swoosh. That pin right there. I got a little nice little diamond in that bitch. Like, yo, these are cold. Cream outsole. I actually fuck with these. I was a little nervous or whatnot, but because I was like, man, what if I design an ugly ass shoe? They gonna clown me. And I was like, I ain't gonna like it. But nah, so pretty much cream leather upper with the leather Nike swoosh with the UNC outline. And then to get the UNC color, it was either patent leather or this textile upper. I didn't want an all patent leather shoe. I didn't think that would look good, or at least to me anyway. I didn't want that because for me, patent leather scuffs easy as shit. And then if it scuffs too much, like your shoe just look ugly as shit. So I went with the textile option for the UNC color. I really like it. The leather is dope as hell. White midsole, cream bottom, that cocaine bottom or whatever. Then pretty much just a cream and UNC shoe. The Nike swoosh actually has text on it. It says first used June 18th, 1971. This is fire. I'm so happy about these. Like I said, I got these in size 11.5. The insole is that cream color as well. Damn, bro. I was nervous than a bitch. It's like I dead ass, like, for one, like, Nike had showed me something different. Like when I had checked out and then I got an email, it was something completely different than what I had designed or whatever. But these shit's fire. These shit's hit. Like, damn. I'm hyped. I'm legit like excited. And like I was nervous about the like rose looking laces, but I kind of like them a little bit. I still might buy some cream jumps or some UNC laces, but I kind of like them. I think they make the shoe pop a little bit. But yeah, I was nervous as hell because Nike had showed me something. I ain't gonna say completely different than what I had designed, but like it didn't look the same way. And I was like, man, what the fuck did I do? I fucked up. I was like, damn it, I fucked up. I messed up. And these shoes gonna look hideous. They gonna clown me on my motherfucking YouTube. They gonna dislike the fuck out the video or whatever. But it worked out for me in the end. So make sure y'all hit that thumbs up and that like button for me. I'm not gonna do a review on these just because I don't want to put my custom on the ground yet, and I don't have to. And then plus they really just an Air Force One. Just me reviewing these, it would kind of be pointless because it's just an Air Force One. I don't know if they still doing Nike customs or whatnot for the Air Force One model. I think the model is sold out. I don't know how you sell out of an ID, but I mean it is what it is. Shout out to my boy Friggity. He gave me the idea because I didn't even know about the Air Force One customization, and the only reason I found out was because he had posted his on his story. And so I was like, oh shit, I didn't know there was an option. So I went ahead and did it, and this is the product of it. So we got the, what is it? The motherfucking Nike by Joshua's. Nigga, look at that shit. They got the shoe on the motherfucking box. That's insane, bro. That's so fucking lit. I gotta get a name for these. But man, I'm stupid excited. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm like dumb excited about these shits. So this shit lit. But nah, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button. Subscribe for me. Join the God Squad. I should be doing a God Box podcast episode maybe later tonight. I don't know. I don't know, man. My nerves is shot right now, so if it drop, it drop. If it don't, it don't. I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.